Let's go on an adventure! Only one can pass at a time. I am not afraid. Okay, easy, easy. I won't stop. And here they come. The final leg of the Great Jungle Rally.
I can almost smell the finish. This bridge feels like jelly.
Whoa. Hang tight, team. Speed is the trick. Boulders, one path, one chance. I'll take the lead. Not so fast. Turkey, you're ahead. Boxing guy. It's like tight. Don't tell me to wheel. Splish splash. I love this part. The Rainbow Tunnel, the final stretch. Let's light up this tunnel. I can see the finish. We fly together. Whoa! Best race ever. Wins teamwork for the trophy. That was wild. Next race, same time tomorrow. Only if there's another one.